Hello, welcome to Ghana ICT Club channel once again. If you've subscribed, thank you for showing up. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. So today on Code with Kwaku, we are going to talk about the basic structure of an HTML. HTML is the foundation block of every website. And HTML simply means hypertext markup language. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the basic structure. So the first line of code, which is the doc type. Okay, so this line of code is simply telling our browser that this is an HTML document. Very simple. And the second line of code is the opening HTML element. And it has an attribute, a language attribute. So this simply means language is equal to English. So it is telling the browser that the language that we are going to use to code is English. Then from the HTML opening element, you come to the head opening and closing element. So in between the head, closing and opening element, there is a title, opening and closing element. So this part is where the title of your HTML document goes. It doesn't show inside the body, but rather it shows on top of the browser. So let me quickly show you. So when I open this browser, you see that the title comes up here. So when you visit any website and you see a title up here, it means that was the title given in the code. Okay, so after the head opening and closing elements, you come to the body opening and closing element. And in between the body closing and opening elements, that is where the content of your website goes. So for example, if I type I love coding inside here and I say okay, so when I come to my browser and refresh, you see that it appears inside the body of the browser. So basically all the codes or whatever that you want to show on your page goes in between the body opening and closing element. Then finally, we come to the closing HTML element. And make sure that all your content goes inside the HTML opening and closing element. We don't write codes after the HTML closing element. All codes goes inside here. Okay, so this is basically an overview of an HTML structure. You can leave your comments below, and if you have any questions too, you can put it below. I'll do my best to answer all. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.